we're doing today is giving the Ford 1620 a little workout rather than gardening. And, which is a powerhouse, you know. So we're going to use it for this job. And what I got is a bad hot water heater in the basement. And rather than break my back, we're going to try to lift this thing out of here using this tractor. So first thing I do is lift the bucket up. Hopefully it'll come out. Ah, she came up. Drive it out. So now we're gonna back it out. Pulling a tooth, huh? Hey, back her out. Come on. She's good. Lift it up a little. And another successful job by the Ford